Hi guys, my name is Fa and I bring you content that has to do with lifestyle, motherhood, shopping, because I do like shopping. I'm talking about supermarkets today, and I think some supermarkets are obviously, they do carry cheaper product lines, but I would not say I've got an absolute favorite. There's some things that are obviously cheaper in some of the supermarkets than the other. But the reason why they're cheaper is not necessarily because they offer better value. It might have a bit better quality. It might have different ingredients and all of that. Supposed to go out to get a few groceries, but I couldn't do that because my son's not feeling so well, and it's just been pretty hectic week for me. So I did do some online shopping with Waitrose and Iceland. So I'm going to be telling you what store I prefer at the end of this video, which would give you a bit more value, so make sure you watch till the end. I'm going to show you my Iceland and Waitrose shopping, and then we'll come back and talk about what supermarket do I actually prefer. So today I'm going to be taking you through my online shopping at Waitrose. This is the second time ordering online from Waitrose. It's a bit far from my place, so I'm going to show you what I got for £50. The only thing I didn't really like was the fact that the delivery is quite expensive compared to Iceland. I think Iceland's got the cheapest delivery actually. If you know any other store that's got really cheap delivery, please let me know, because I'm all about the budget. First thing is the flour. So I really like the McDougall's brand of flour. This is the self-raising flour, and this was similar price compared to Tesco or Asda. This cost £2.10, which is not too bad, and this is a 1.1 kg flour. Yeah, that's it. I also ordered for the McDougall's plain flour, which they didn't have, so they gave me a substitute of the Waitrose organic plain flour. I haven't tried this before, but it's 1.5 kg and it costs £2.10, so I'm getting a bit of kg, obviously without the brand I wanted, but I'm pretty open to trying this one. So I also got the Tate Lye fair trade cane icing sugar. I normally use silver spoon, but I'm going to be trying the Tate Lye because it wasn't too badly priced, and I've always wanted to try a different brand as an alternative to my silver spoon, which I'm quite happy with. And by the way, this was £2.65 and it's 1 kg. And then I got some chicken. The chicken is a little bit pricey compared to Sainsbury one. I do prefer Sainsbury. The Sainsbury one would give me 2 kg, but this is not too bad because this is about 1.6 kg and it's drumsticks. I just really like drumsticks because all you need to do is marinate it and bung it in the oven, and dinner is partially served. So these were £4.60 a piece, but they were running the 2 for £8, which works out pretty cheap in my opinion. Pretty good value for money. So I got 2 packs of chicken, and I do like the fact that they packed them separately. That's again is another perk. Moving on to the Waitrose cupcake cases. I like the fact that it's such a colorful, very happy summer colors. I do quite a bit of baking, so I thought why not get that. This was £1.80. I would get it slightly cheaper in another store, but this price is actually not bad, so I'm quite happy with it. It's got 75 cupcake cases. So I got the Nestle Carnation condensed milk. I was going to get the Waitrose brand, but the Nestle was on promotion, so I got a couple of that. It was going for £2.25 a piece. I want to make some homemade ice cream with them. I also got the double cream from Waitrose. I'm going to use this for the ice cream. This is quite good. It's about 600 ml in size. This is the first time I'm getting double cream from Waitrose, so I got a couple of that because I'm going to be making 2 flavors of ice cream. I'm going to be making homemade vanilla ice cream as well as chocolate. This was £2.40. I also got some Waitrose desiccated coconuts. These are quite lovely for homemade cookies. I'm actually wondering why I got 3. That's what happens when you order at night time. I want to use it for a variety of recipes, from homemade cookies to cakes as well. These are quite nice. They're 250 grams each, and I'm hoping I'm gonna use it for a bit, because I got each of them for £1.75. Next we have our cocoa powder. Yeah, I'm gonna be using that for the ice cream. That is 200 grams, and I got that for £4. So I'm not even sure if that's a good price, to be honest. I got Ortoli Bottoli. This is one of my favorite butters. It's got a really rich buttery flavor. Very, very good on toast and for baking as well. Ortoli Bottoli was £1.60, which is similar price. I think I do get them for about £1.60 in those shops, so not too bad pricing. I got the Waitrose Demerara sugar. This is 500 grams, and it was at £1.75, which I think is a smashingly good price, because I think I get the same in Asda for about £1.50, if I'm not mistaken. Then again, Waitrose promises better quality, so we are totally up to trying that out. So these are the McVitie's Gold bars. I think I tasted them once previously, and I saw it in the suggested feed, so I popped that into my cart as well. Yeah, that was about £1.80. That's, as I said, that's what happens when you shop at night, because I really don't think I would buy that for £1.80 if I was well and truly awake, because it's quite small. I thought it was going to be bigger or something. Yeah, and I totally needed that for my baking. I've been using cups measurements, and I just decided to get me a scale. So this is the John Lewis brand Any Day 5 kg electronic scales. Pretty much seems basic and very straightforward. Gonna be unboxing that. I'm going to be using that for baking, but that was quite fairly priced. If it's not, please let me know. I got this for £10, which I felt was okay. I hadn't really done any price comparison prior to buying it, so. You know me, you know I'm so into chocolate, so I got these. These were going for £3. Yeah, somewhere £3 for £3. So essentially it's £1 each, which is actually quite good. I also got some velvet toilet paper. I always get the jumbo ones because they tend to be a bit cheaper than buying the smaller sizes, and this should carry us for about a month thereabout. And then I also got some sugar. The delivery is one of the best compared to Tesco, Asda, because I haven't done an online delivery with Sainsbury. Their delivery was actually free, which is more power to them. King prawns, they are 3 for £10. They're actually quite nice. I've bought them once before. They have a bit of price point to them. The McCain chips are actually quite nice. So this is the 1.5 kg pack, and these were also going for £2 for £6. So I got a couple of that. That's the McCain chips. And then we got some chicken popsters. The kids really like chicken nuggets, and they're into chicken in bits and bite sizes. So I got a couple of these. We got the big chicken nuggets. So these were 3 for £10. I got 1, 2, and 3 of that for £10. We also got some pizza, which they're going to be having this evening. A couple of that. I think these were £3 or something. And then we got these spring rolls and mini bite-sized pizzas. These were 3 for £5. So they have this thing on the app where if you're going to buy something, it would sort of link that into adding some more things, so you get the cheaper price. So just be careful because I ended up spending a bit more than I budgeted for. So I got this the last time, the 1.35 kg ketchup. I got 3 of these for £10 a month ago. And now, look what came. The smaller one, which is, I'm not pleased with that at all. Anyway, I'm sure they have different stuff because I actually went in store. And this I ordered online. I got the mold and mildew blaster. I got the Dettol floor wipes. I really like these. These just give your kitchen such a fresh smell. I use it for the bathroom floor or the kitchen floor, and it's really good. So these were £3 for £3, if I'm not, about £1 each, thereabouts. These were £1, if I'm not mistaken. I got some hot chocolate. I'm not happy with the size of this one.
What size is that?
Because I was supposed to get like a bigger size. But yeah, I bought this, I think it was about £2.50, somewhere there. So talking about supermarkets in the UK, they've got about more than 10 major brands of supermarket. But I keep going back to the same ones just because I feel they offer a bit more value in terms of quality. A lot of people love Aldi and Lidl, and I like it too. I wouldn't say I love it, but I like it. They do have quite a bit of competitive prices compared to Asda, Tesco and Sainsbury. So because I don't have a Lidl really close to me and it's quite far, I see myself yo-yoing between Tesco and Asda. So overall, I think I prefer Asda in terms of value and pricing. There's some things that are better bought in Tesco. So some products I think I prefer the Tesco quality. So I wouldn't really say, to be honest, I do have a favorite, even though Asda offers quite a few discounts. I'm going to be exploring buying in bulk online because I read an article about a couple of online stores that do offer bulk purchases online, which would give you a bit of value for money. I also would love to explore Costco. If anyone has explored that, please let me know. But overall, because of proximity, I tend to gravitate between Asda and Tesco, as I said earlier. The pricing is all right. Morrison's also is a shop I would really love to explore because you really do have to make the pound stretch, don't you? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and until I come your way again, it's me, FA, signing off and out. Do take care of yourself.